Alright guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Yes, I'm taking a look at another Christopher Ward. I didn't buy this one this time. This is on loan from Christopher Ward, so once I've done the video, I'll be going back. And it's the new C65 Dune bronze. I didn't ask for the bronze, but the stock was really limited, and I said to my contact Andrew, thanks again Andrew by the way for sending this out. I said to him, I says, look, just send me any colourway, just whatever you've got. And even that took a couple of weeks to try and sort out. So they sent me the bronze one. I'm not a huge fan of bronze watches, to be honest with you. And I'm not, they sent me the green one. And anybody that's been watching my channel for a while will know I'm not a huge fan of green watches either. Yes, I like white, everybody knows that. Yes, I like black and blue. I like more traditional style, not in your face or funky colours, or this isn't a funky colour, it's green. But you kind of get what I'm talking about. It's still a beautiful watch, there's no question. This isn't the standard strap, this is the Orlando tobacco leather. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I took it off because it was brand spanking new. It was way too stiff for me just to wear. So I put my own strap on. Alright, it's got different hardware and stuff. But I thought this kind of tan, sandy colour went well. This strap does match better, but as I say, it was too stiff. Right. Anyway, I'll play the intro and then we'll get into the watch, go through all the specs, have a closer look, and there we go. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, let's have a bit of a closer look then. I'll just move that strap out of the way. Oh, I'll show you this quickly actually. It is really nicely made. Bronze hardware, signed. I could take the hardware off of this and put it on this strap. But as I say, it's a loaner and it's going back shortly, so I just couldn't be arsed. Hang on and I'll zoom in a wee bit. Right guys, the price of these, the bronze ones, I'm not comparing to the other models. I'm just focusing on the two bronze colourways. Obviously I just have this green one, but the other one, it's like a brown, kind of grey colour. Right, anyway, price. 985 Great British pounds. If you take the canvas webbing strap, it's £10 less. So we'll just call it for the two. You can get a grey leather as well. Grey leather or this tobacco one. £985. There is a chronometer, by the way, so it's COSC certified, which is -4 to +6 seconds a day, which is great. A chronometer for under £1,000. That's quite a rare thing these days. Right, let's go through the specs, my own measurements, blah blah blah. Let me move that a wee bit to the right. Right, case diameter 37.8mm. The watch has a total thickness of 11.4mm, including the sapphire. Lug to lug 43.7, and the watch has a 20mm lug width. The total weight on the standard leather strap that I was given is 74 grams. The movement is the Sellita SW200 chronometer grade, so highest that there is. It has some, in fact I can show you now the finishing. I have been wearing this, so if you, I've not cleaned it or anything, but hopefully it's not that dirty. You can see the finishing on there, custom rotor, blah blah blah. It's all nice. It does have a stainless steel case back, as you don't want a bronze one because your skin will go all kind of green and that. So wise choice there. Where was I? The movement. 28,800 vibrations an hour, hackable, self-winding, 26 joules and a 38-hour power reserve. The case is brushed and polished bronze, as is the bezel, and I'll give you a slight close-up. The finishing is outstanding. Now remember, this is bronze, so it will patina over time, but I mean look at the polished accents that runs along the top there. Nice thin case, really nice proportionate crown as well. Undercut, you name it, this case has everything. Really, really nice. Good stuff. Right, the dial. It's pretty much the star of the show, really. Well, other than the bronze aspect, I suppose. Right. It has a stamped wave pattern, applied logo and hour markers, and it's a true, no date, there's no ghost position on this watch whatsoever, which is good. There, that's quite a good way to show it. It is really, really nice. Diamond cut hands, you know, the usual thing that you get with Christopher Ward. Really good attention to detail. The seconds hand is also nice, but it has the lollipop marker on there. The actual main hands, the hour and minute hands, it's kind of like Trident style. Aye, really nice. Just the normal printing, just above the marker at 6, chronometer, and the water resistance. The water resistance being 150 metres, and you've got Swiss made at either side of the marker at 6. The lume on this is Swiss Super Luminova. It's old radium BL grade X1, and it's decent. I forgot to take B-roll, so I'm just going to show you in real time what the lume is like. It's actually good for old radium, I'll tell you that much. Right, that's plenty. There you go. We'll just leave it like that for a while. Hopefully it's not too dark. I'll turn the lights back on in a wee bit. Right, the straps, as I mentioned earlier on actually, you've got 3 options. You've got the camel canvas webbing strap, the grey Orlando leather, and the tobacco Orlando leather. I've got the tobacco one, as I showed you. Really stiff straight out the box, but I'm sure it's lovely once it's all broken in and stuff. It is really nice, high quality. The crystal on this is box sapphire with a clear inner anti-reflective coating. And I've had no issues with legibility whatsoever. Water resistance, 150 metres as I mentioned. The case back, as I've already showed you, I'm just repeating myself here. 316L stainless steel. It is screw down. It does have the exhibition display case back. And it is actually sapphire crystal on the back there, as well as the front. Right, I'll turn the lights back on. The crown, I measured it at 6.7mm. Perfectly proportioned in my opinion. It is screwed down as well. And it has the embossed twin flag logo, as you can see. It's all rather gorgeous. Where to buy? I believe these are out of stock, but they are coming back next month. Or is it June? April? I can't remember. I would need to check yourself. I'm sure you can pre-order it. Yes, you can pre-order it. I know you can. And the warranty is the usual Christopher Ward, 5 years with a 60-day return period. It's a beautiful watch, there's no question. Is it something I would buy? Not the bronze one, and certainly not in green. I would buy, when you look at the stainless steel versions, I would buy one of them. It is really nice, and it does wear on wrist. That's what I'll do before I go, is I'll give you a quick wrist shot. I've not done any B-roll like I normally do. Let me take this watch off. I can't show you what watch I'm wearing. That's why I'm wearing a sweatshirt, so you can't see it on the video. More about that in a future video. Right, remember, this is own strap, not Christopher Ward. Right. Oh, Jesus, that's close. Right, there we go. I really like 38mm, especially when there's no dive bezel and whatnot. It's really nice. Wears beautifully on wrist, nice and compact. Suits the size of my wrist, I reckon. My wrist size is 6 3/4 inches, so I just think it looks perfectly without being too small or too big. Right, so that's basically it, guys. I do recommend it, of course I do. It's a beautiful watch. But this colourway in the bronze, I think I'd rather go with the stainless steel myself. And there's also the bracelet option as well, you know, which makes it more appealing to me. I'm a bracelet guy, no wearing two-piece straps and whatnot. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys, and thanks again to Andrew at Christopher Ward for sending this out on loan. I'll get it back to you as soon as I can. Right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!